Hi, and welcome to Leaves on a Stream. This is an activity that will help you learn how to unhook from thoughts that may keep you stuck in unhelpful patterns of thinking. Sometimes, unhelpful patterns of thinking cause anxiety or low mood, which can get in the way of living life. The first step to unhooking from unhelpful thoughts is to recognize that you are the observer of your thoughts, not the thoughts themselves. You are capable of noticing the thoughts that your mind creates and watch as they pass through your mind. You can learn to notice and let go of unhelpful thoughts. Learning to become aware of the thoughts is an important skill. The more you practice, the more you'll be able to know what you are thinking as you are thinking it, and what you are feeling as you are feeling it. You can then choose more thoughtfully how you will respond or act on your thoughts and feelings, and what you can gently let go of. You're going to practice this by imagining that you're sitting next to this stream and placing your thoughts, when they come into your mind, on imaginary leaves and letting them float by on the water. Let's get started. Sit in a comfortable position and take in a slow, deep breath. Have a wriggle, make sure you're sitting in a comfortable position, then take another slow, deep breath. Picture yourself sitting beside this gently flowing stream and imagine that it has leaves floating along the surface of the water. For the next few minutes, take each thought that enters your mind and place it on a leaf. Let it float by. Do this with each thought, nice ones, painful or difficult ones, or just neutral ones. Even if you have happy or excited thoughts, place them on a leaf and let them float by. If your thought stops, continue to watch the stream. Sooner or later, your thoughts will start up again. You're not trying to rush the leaves along or get rid of your thoughts. You're allowing them to come and go at their own pace. If your mind says, "This is dumb, I'm bored," or "I'm not doing this right," place those thoughts on leaves too, and let them pass. If a leaf gets stuck, allow it to hang around until it's ready to float by. If the thought comes up again, watch it float by another time. If a difficult or painful feeling shows up, simply acknowledge it. Say to yourself, "I notice myself having a feeling of boredom, impatience, or frustration." Place those thoughts on leaves and allow them to float along. You will notice that your mind is never quiet for long. It is easy to get caught up in these thoughts that come into your mind. This is perfectly normal. The skill is noticing that you have got distracted by your thoughts. When you notice this, imagine placing the thoughts on a leaf. Let it drift by on the water, and go back to noticing each thought and placing it on the leaf. With practice, you can learn to become more aware of your mind doing its job of creating thought. This will help you choose how you respond, rather than getting caught up in the thought. With practice, you might notice that you are starting to use this skill in your everyday life. You can use it to help you notice the thoughts your mind creates and how you respond to them. To act on them if you need to, or to let them go if they are not helpful to you. Take a slow, deep breath. Have a big stretch. Look around you. And have a good day.